installment of Training Minutes, I'm going to show you how to make hoagies using our new lunch meat. As you know, we are now using Dietz and Watson lunch meat as opposed to the Kunzler. They come in these 1 pound packs. You want to open them the same way, and that's take your knife across the top of the pack to make a slit in it so that everybody knows where the pack is open. Before making any hoagie, you always want to check the date on your meat and make sure that it is good for as long as the hoagie is going to be in use. This meat has a very long code, so we don't have to worry about that. I'm going to first show you how to make a hoagie for a customer order. We're going to do ham. This customer wants Swiss cheese, mayonnaise, and lettuce. So we're going to start with the mayonnaise. Using a black plastic spreader, put the mayonnaise on to both sides of the roll. 7-inch hoagies get 2 slices of cheese. So we're going to go with 2 of the Swiss, which is what the customer chose. I'm going to pull out 1 paper worth of meat, which is 5 slices. We're not going to use all this on the hoagie, but it's just easier to work with than fighting with it in the pack. These are full slices of meat. On a regular 7-inch hoagie, you're going to use 3 slices of meat. Then you're going to put your lettuce on top of that, and the customer wants nothing other than that. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it. You grab a Minute Mark paper, put your hoagie in the middle diagonally. You're going to fold the paper over, pulling back on the hoagie to tighten it so that the lettuce doesn't fall off. Start rolling it. You're going to roll your ends in and take what's left and tuck it over top of what you folded in to kind of seal it shut so that it doesn't pop open. Those of you that still have a tape sealer that's in use, you can use the tape sealer and just, instead of tucking, you would roll this end the whole way and then put a piece of tape from your tape sealer there to hold it shut. The next hoagie that we're going to make for a customer order is a roast beef. Again, I've opened the meat from the top of the package and checked the code. So I want to pull this out, just the first paper. This customer wants hot pepper jack, but no condiments or anything. This is real London broil, so it's very tender roast beef. And this customer only wants meat and cheese, so that would be it. We use 3 slices again because it's a 7-inch. And you want to roll it in the Minute Mart wrap, the same as we did the ham. So you take your paper, you fold it up over, pulling the hoagie tight, and roll it. Tuck in, and then as you continue, you want to tuck that in underneath so that seals it up so it doesn't unroll. So that's how you make the made to order. Now I'm going to show you how to make some grab and go hoagies. The first one we're going to start off with will be a turkey. Turkeys for the grab and go automatically get provolone cheese, which I have here ready to go. Pull the turkey out like we've done before. Put our 3 slices of meat. to get the grab-and-go container and place the hoagie in it. This way I'm sure I'll get enough lettuce. You want to put the lettuce to the top of the hoagie bun so it's level with the top. You never want to not have enough lettuce because it makes the hoagies look empty. And we want them to look nice and full. Then you're going to use your tomato, 2 to 4 half slices depending on the size, and about 10 slivers of onion. Some stores use pickles, some stores do not. It's a regional thing, so check with your food service manager and see which one you do. Make sure you don't seal it in there. Seal up your container. You want to hear it click. You put the Minute Mart logo label in the middle, the price tag at the top, and your UPC at the bottom. Using your color code chart and your corresponding marker, you want to put your initials on the hoagie so that everybody knows what day that actually goes out based on the color that you used. And that's how you make a turkey hoagie for the grab and go. Now I'm going to show you an Italian. Previously our Italian meat came all packed in together. It was in what we called a set. This meat for the Italian is 3 separate meats. It's the same meat that was in the set, only you have to build the set yourself. So we have pepper ham, capicola ham, and we also have hard salami. So you start off with the pepper ham. I'm going to grab a slice of the pepper ham. Followed by a slice of the capicola ham. And to top it off, you want 2 slices of the hard salami. That makes up our new Italian set for the 7-inch Italian hoagie. Place the bun in the container again. You have your lettuce. And your tomato. And again your onion. You're going to close it up. And the same procedure with the stickers. The dollar or price tag at the top, the Minute Mart logo label in the middle, your UPC at the bottom, and again the corresponding marker for the date. Hoagies are good for 2 days in the grab and go, so you want to use the color that reflects the date that they're being pulled out of the grab and go. And that's how you make all of our new hoagies. This concludes our training minute on hoagies. All of the new portioning charts and recipes have been sent to the store, so please refer to them the first few times you make these hoagies once the lunch meat has reached your location, so that you're sure to use the proper portions on this. This change has affected every hoagie that we make. Turkey, ham, roast beef, Italian, turkey BLT, ham BLT. Everything that uses the lunch meat has obviously changed due to the lunch meat change. If you have any further questions that this video does not answer, please address them with your food service manager or manager of your store.